If you're seeing the GOG error invalid license, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. This issue is usually caused by a login mismatch, a stuck GOG Galaxy session, corrupted local files, or sometimes even a temporary server problem on GOG's side. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, verify your account. This is the most important step because GOG licenses are tied to the exact account that purchased or redeemed the game. Open GOG Galaxy and make sure you are signed into the same account you used when you originally got the game. If you have more than one email address or more than one GOG account, double check carefully because even being logged into the wrong account can trigger an invalid license error. If needed, sign out completely and sign back in using the correct account. Once you've confirmed the account is right, try restarting GOG Galaxy. A simple restart can force the client to refresh your library and recheck your license status. To do this properly, don't just close the window. Make sure you fully exit GOG Galaxy from your system tray or taskbar, wait a few seconds, and then open it again. After it reloads, go back to your game and check whether the error is gone. If the message still appears, the next step is to verify or repair the installation. This is useful if local game files are damaged or if something is blocking the license check from completing correctly. In GOG Galaxy, click on the game that is showing the error, then open the settings icon. From there, go to Manage Installation and choose Verify or Repair. Let the client scan the installation and fix any corrupted or missing files it finds. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so let it finish completely before testing again. In many cases, that alone will clear the invalid license issue. If you still see the error after that, there is one more thing to keep in mind, and that is a temporary GOG server outage. Sometimes the problem is not on your PC at all. GOG servers may just be having trouble syncing licenses, especially during busy times or after maintenance. If that happens, the best move is often to wait about 30 minutes and try again later. You can also check whether other users are reporting the same issue, because if it's a widespread outage, it usually resolves on its own once the servers recover. So, to quickly recap, the best order is confirm you are on the correct GOG account, restart GOG Galaxy fully, verify or repair the game installation, and if nothing works, wait for a possible server-side fix. Following those steps solves the invalid license error for most players without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel because it really helps support the channel and lets me keep making simple fixes like this for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.